When the door is sticking, you don't want to necessarily always remove the part where it's sticking. You want to check the left side of the door, make sure the crack is the same, top, middle, and bottom. You want to check along the top. See this one, it's tighter on that side than it is over there. Can be the door's crooked, can be the frame's crooked. But you want to check the hinge side. You want to make sure, you want to check all the screws, make sure everything's tight, not only on its outside, but the ones that go in this way on the inside and hold the hinge. Also can happen is the pins that run all the way through the hinge can wear down, and you want to take the door, actually it's best to take one side of the hinge off and try and wiggle the hinge. If it moves a lot, you may have to replace the hinges. But you want to check the gap on the hinge side too. And this door is sticking on the bottom right over here. So I want to check all those things. My front screen storm door is it's moved. It moves around a lot actually, but now it's hitting on the sill. So I'm going to need to cut this off. So I'll show you how to do that. I put masking tape on both sides of the door. That can help eliminate some of the chip out. I've clamped down this straight edge. I'm just going to take off 1/8 of an inch. And you can see that it's not square. This storm doors are supposed to be at an angle that matches the threshold, and this door is angled, so I want to replicate that. So this straight edge will act as a guide so I get a nice straight cut. Doesn't hit anymore. It was catching right in here, and I wanted to take off just enough so it didn't hit, but I want to try and keep this as tight as I can, and with that angle keep rain and snow out. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.